Hey, this is Mario Fecke. I'm a garment sales engineer with Canigisa and we are at the 2025 Clean Show. We are standing in front of the folding robot FAXM. The folding robot features a stainless steel feeding table that is height adjustable to meet the requirements of every operator, allowing perfect ergonomics throughout the whole shift. It's fully stainless, we don't need any vacuum, so we don't have any noise emission or lins at the feeding table. The machine is running in one universal folding program. Means we are using sufficient sensors to identify the article type, and the machine automatically adjusts the folding parameters. Therefore, the operator can fully focus on the feeding and doesn't have to worry about any program changes. They just plain feed and forget. The length fold section uses folding wings, allowing a very fiber-gentle fold. The air-suspended wings automatically adjust to the article thickness. In the crossfold section, we also have an automated thickness adaptation. We are using the shaft belt principle. In the opposite of every shaft, we are having a belt, and we are using the natural elasticity of the belt to adjust to the article thickness. We don't need any additional drives to adapt to the thickness of the article. All of the shafts are driven with only one motor, lowering operating costs, and the very easy accessibility makes maintenance and cleaning a very easy job.